is designed for that area. It already knows the insects that are going to attack it. It already knows the weather patterns. This is a plant that is designed to grow in that area. So if you can buy your seeds from local seed companies that produce them in your area, as well as nurseries, this drastically increases your chance of success. Whereas going to the big box stores and buying the plants that have been shipped from who knows how far away from some sort of centralized distribution center, those plants might not be designed for your area. For example, where I did a lot of my gardening in Florida, big, fat, juicy tomatoes, like beefsteak tomatoes, don't do well there. What does really well is the small Everglades tomato. And with the Everglades tomato, a person with a black thumb, boom, green thumb, and tomatoes in incredible amounts. But if you're trying to grow those big ones that are not adapted to that area, black thumb dies, molds, gets tomato blight, and you don't get anything, and you walk away feeling like a failure. So seeking out your local seed companies and your local nurseries is a huge step in the right direction. When a lot of people start planning their garden and they start planning what they want to plant, what they do is they think about what their favorite foods are, and they even walk down the grocery store aisles and think, okay, these are my favorite things to eat, so this is what I'm going to plant. And sure, that can be beneficial, but here's the downside of that. If you're doing that, most of our grocery stores are based on globalization, where food is shipped in from all different regions, where it does really well in this area and not well in that area.